Good morning, Lifehackers. I'm your host, Edward. I'm on a train traveling with my e-bike from China to Miaoli. It's very easy and very convenient. I have to take some care of some legal affairs. Miaoli motor vehicle station, as you see. The train is not crowded. You can say it's not rush hour, so it's peaceful hour, just a little bit after 10. Yeah, and this is my second trip to Miaoli with my e-bike. I think I done it once. Yeah, I went to immigration office in Miaoli. Yeah, I rode my e-bike from the train station, which was very easy. Today I'm going to a motor vehicle office. Let's see. It's a hot day. Very hot here in Taiwan, Miaoli County. I reside in Chinatown. Let me look into your eyes. So yeah, it's hot. Protect your face, protect your skin. The scorching sunshine isn't good for the body. You have to protect it. Yeah. And this is the e-bike I purchased how long ago? Just when I'm back to China. So that was in December of last year. So half year. I'm very satisfied with it. I'm very happy about money I spent on it. It's a good giant product. Yesterday I went for the servicing. They helped me to clean the chain, they apply some oil and everything. They cleaned it up. It's been 6 months and I'm always going back to their shop. They're happy to see me. They help me with the cleaning and services. Yeah. See the tires. Nice tires. It's a semi-bike, semi-motorcycle. The only thing I think they could improve on is the, what are they called? Some sort of springs, so that it could soften the ride. It's still alright. I still love it. Really, really nice bike. And price is slowly going up. I suppose that people love it. This is, see, the basket. I installed the basket in Taipei. I took it to Taipei once as well. I installed the basket. I installed the mirrors. Yeah. So, totally love it. It's money well spent. 32,800 I bought it. Plus another 9,000 for battery. I purchased extra battery by the way. So it fits very well into the elevators in the train station. Don't worry about it. Fits well. Take an elevator, go up, purchase your ticket. Don't forget to buy your half ticket for the e-bike. Here are my 2 tickets. China Miaoli.